move to it like this. And if that bottom plate, if your dolly has reached up and bent that up, it will cause it to rub and it makes a terrible scraping or scratching sound. So I'm gonna show you how to fix that. Super easy to fix. It's actually a pretty common issue. But if you take something flat, I use just a scraper here, right on the front. I'm trying to do this with one hand, but it just has two quick releases here. This plate pops off. And I'll show you right here. This whole assembly is supposed to be able to move, and some people put a dolly underneath it, and if they pull back on that dolly, it can bend this whole plate. It can bend it up, and then what happens is, if you can see that, these right here ends up rubbing as it goes back and forth. So the simplest fix for this is what I do. You can use like a hammer handle, or you could even take